Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. Today I tell you how to make sun from Python coding. You can easily make sun from Python coding. So today I tell you, do you want make sun from Python coding? So then watch full video. Don't skip any video. So let's go. I am going to desktop screen. So finally I am coming desktop screen and open your notebook. Open my notepad and hit enter and here write first here write from turtle import and hit enter and here write color who color are you give then on some. So first I give red and next yellow. mm, Hit enter and begin begin fill means sun or side fill color begin fill again. Next here while means running, how much time you running on your sun. So here write while true means right. And here give forward means how much time your sun line forward your on your skin on your laptop screen. So here write forward forward how much time 200 time I give here and hit enter. And here left how much time left you give, I give 120 and hit enter. Here I give avas, avas means I know. So I give avas position direction, which type direction move your sun. So here I give position. No any position I have. So the right and here I give how many sun you on how many sun run on your desktop screen. So finally I running on one sun on my screen. So here write one. You can give here two, three, four, five sun you are moving in your screen. So I give here one and give colon and hit enter. So and here I put it break because if I don't give hair break, so again run my son. So give break and hair color fill and hit enter. Finally, my program is successfully written. Here I write done and now I am going to save the program and I will save on desktop screen. So here write sun.py and hit enter and open your command format. Open your command prompt here. First you go desktop and here write Python and file name. What was it? My file name? My file name is sun.py and hit enter. So where here mistake where here. So here mistake forward here mistake from mistake give here. Oh here write a forward and save again again run program. So here one and again use it python sun.py and hit enter. So finally my program is done. You can see on a screen. My son is making on running. So thank you, friends.